Hi everyone, this is Marina Pebley, and here's my presentation, Technology and Student Learning. And this is based off the article, Technology and Student Learning Toward a Learner-Centered Teaching Model. So the main ideas of this article are that we as teachers need to emphasize the learner's unique identity, create an active learning environment, and effectively integrate technology into our classrooms. These are the three factors that make up the learner-centered teaching model. So we'll start with emphasizing the learner's unique identity. There are several ways that a teacher can do this, but an important idea is establishing a strong cultural competence in the classroom, which basically means that in our classroom we must recognize, respect, and value the culture, background, and perspective of each individual student. One way that we can help ourselves do this is by engaging in self-reflection, so that we can reflect on our own possible cultural biases and teaching strategies, so that we can improve upon them in order to enhance student learning. Another important factor in this is allowing our students to engage in dialogue. By doing this, we can help create that environment of respect and teach our students that it's important to learn from the perspectives of others. Also, it's important that we keep high expectations and use challenging lessons in order to motivate our students to reach their fullest potential, as well as show them that we know they can reach that potential. Next, we'll move on to creating an active learning environment, which is extremely important in the science classroom. One of the main points that this article makes is that in the learner-centered teaching model, the teacher transitions from the traditional instructor position to more of a guide for the students, which means that we as teachers guide students in their learning and facilitate discussion about the concepts, meaning that we allow our students to have active experiences such as participating in labs, doing discrepant events, and participating in inquiry-based learning so that they can come to the discoveries of different concepts on their own as much as they can. It's also important that we establish a learning community, which means our students are encouraged to collaborate with each other and learn from each other, which in turn allows them to participate in the scientific process, because it's important that scientists collaborate and learn from each other in order to come to a discovery. Finally, by doing these things, we can help our students take responsibility for their own learning, so that they will be more accountable for their learning and more motivated to go deeper into the lessons. Finally, this article shows the importance of effectively integrating technology. One of its main points is that technology is not a substitute for sound teaching practices, meaning that we have to start with the instructional goals, not the technology. The instruction goals need to drive the technology that we use, meaning that technology should be a tool to get to our goals. It's not an end in itself. On the right side, technology can provide lots of new opportunities for our students. For example, with technology, students are able to visualize and interact with scientific concepts that they never would have been able to otherwise, due to lack of resources or just some materials being too expensive. However, with technology, a whole new world is opened. In conclusion, the learner-centered teaching model can really help students to better achieve their goals and have their own motivation to learn science. Finally, it's important that we remember that our student goals are what should come first. So, technology should be a tool to reach those student goals. And thank you for listening to my presentation.